everyone, if you're new here, my name is Claire from Claire's Crafty Tutorials. I do mainly jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do some other craft projects, days out, things like that. So it is a bit like a vloggy channel as well. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I want to say thank you so much for your orders over the weekend. I had and still have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. I also have an offer on Etsy, but it's £20 on there, and that's all due to fees. When that printer was rolling this morning, it was really welcomed because things have been quite quiet. Things have been quieter than normal. So what I'm going to do, there's some of the orders ready to go there. I've got one here that I'm going to go through with you. And this is an order from Michelle. I'm not sure if Michelle is on YouTube. I honestly can't remember. Michelle, thank you so much for your order if you are. And I just want to say, if you had ordered from my website, it would have been a lot cheaper. I know you've got the discount with Etsy because I think your order was £45. But it still would have been cheaper, and the postage would have cost you £3 instead of £4.80. The postage is different. It's how I have to do my postage. So yes, as the title of the video, where am I sending? Now, obviously for GDPR, I can't give an awful lot away. It wasn't a clickbaity title at all. It's something that I have to stick to as a small business. It's the Royal Shakespeare Society. And you might think, oh, that doesn't look like a big order. It's a very nice order. Now, I can't say who it's going to, what it is, and what play it's for. That's not allowed. That's not allowed. But I think by just saying RSC. I have looked it up, and yes, I'm very happy. That's all I can say. But I did want to say, I know sometimes we can feel like a very small fish. Okay, big fish. Okay, big fish. In a big wide world. Now, if you want to follow my social media links, they are all below. Likewise, if you want to subscribe to the channel, if what I do is of interest to you. But I don't have a huge social media following, and I know that people are all into like numbers nowadays, thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands. If those people are not seeing what you do, it's pointless. Now, I look at mine, but I do know from looking at my figures, although my interactions are low, they are getting seen. I mean, not everybody is going to obviously comment on my post, but then I also understand that when someone has taken the time to leave a comment, like on here, for example, so I do try to thank you. Don't think I've missed anyone, and I don't just heart the post. I do a reply. More of you are starting to talk now. More of you are starting just to comment on my post, and it means the world, and it means the world to me. And it doesn't even have to be about jewelry. We can talk about anything. I think recently I was talking about the menopause with a subscriber and a lovely customer mine, and it's lovely. It makes everything worthwhile. Put a video out and you could feel that it flops. Someone has possibly seen that video and have gone and placed an order on the website. Again, it's not all about likes and comments on your videos. As far as I'm aware, this is the first time that I have sent to the RSC, but I've actually sent to lots of film studios here in the UK. It tends to be period dramas, so there's lots of ring settings, brooches. If it's supplies that I've sent, I used to say, I would love to see what you make, or could I ask what you're working on, who's possibly going to be wearing it, that sort. And I know that sounds really desperate, and I never heard anything back, so I don't actually ask anymore, but I'm quite good at detective work. I think I should have been a private investigator, and I will look, and usually I can find out what the person is working on, their ways and means. Then I find out when that is, either a film is coming out, a drama, and I will literally watch it. And just for an example, if it's ring settings, if it's like ring settings, I will look, I'm there looking at people's fingers. I'm looking at people's fingers. And if it's brooches, I'm there looking at brooches. Or if it's hairpins, I'm looking at hairpins. Trying to find out. I will spot them, but I've not. Trying to see, and I can't see them. Could be they weren't used. But and when you get an order like that, you really feel like shouting from the rooftops. I mean, like I say, I'm not the only one. For lots of people, business has been really slow. We just got over Christmas. It was a long time to go to payday. We understand all of that, fully understand any of that. So I hope the 10% discount does help, and I think it has. And you may think, oh, it doesn't seem a lot, but on like on a £50 order, that's like £5 off. And I've got lots reduced anyway. And if you don't know, a very small animal rescue, all self-funded. I'm also a wildlife animal transporter, that's voluntary. And although obviously because of work, I'm not able to commit, I do tend to rub it on. I can't help it. I can't help it. I like to talk. Well, this is an example of an order that's gone out today for someone called Michelle. I've not picked it in particular. These are Etsy. I've nearly finished those, and then I will go over to my website. I mean, it's lunchtime. I'm not going to stop, even though it doesn't look like. I usually don't stop for lunch, even though I know it doesn't look like it. Okay, so let me show you. So if you have got this far, thank you so much, but don't give up hope. If you feel that you're not getting, if you're a YouTuber, you feel like you're not getting your subscribers, or you just feel your little business isn't getting out there, look into your figures, those impressions. It isn't all about likes and comments and interaction, although that's most welcome. Of course, that's most welcome. People say if people don't like and comment on your videos, YouTube isn't going to show anything. YouTube will not push your videos, even though I do say, please, if you could please like and comment, leave a comment, leave me hearts, anything like that. But it could be that one person views your channel and then will go and place a large order. Maybe you have something that you're really proud of. Maybe you've sent to someone. I do understand if you can't give names or anything, or maybe you've supplied someone and it's like, wow. Maybe you've supplied, perhaps it's a rock star, an actor. Maybe you've done a good deed for a charity. Let me know in the comments below. No, I really would love to know. It's not just because I want the algorithm to see comments. I really would love to know. Let me show you what this order contains. I think it's quite a fun order. These are made of howlite, and they are angels. Very popular at Christmas. I am going to be really quick because I know we're short on time and I need to get back. We've got some enamel cat charms, cat in a teacup. These are fun. These are dinosaurs. These are made of resin. I'm getting quite short on these now. I think I've got 3 pairs and about 5 individual single colours left. These have sold very well. So that's the resin dinosaurs. These are heart charms. Let's see if I can actually show you what they're like. So you can use them as a pendant, or you can actually put a chain on each side. Those are pretty. Those are on sale at the moment. I think with the offer, I think these are about 60-70 pence. So go and check the website out. There's lots of reductions. Again, we've got these are Christmas. It's never too early for Christmas. They're very pretty. I really like those. These are very nice. I like these. These are bird nests. They've got the pearls for the eggs. So it's just like a nest. The detail is fantastic on them. And you can actually get these with 4 pearls, and that's very popular for doing like a pendant for a mum, like Mother's Day, if you've got 4 children, etc. Or you can always take one out. You can actually add something in there. I've seen that being done as well. These are opalite pendants. One's got a bit of a mark on, although you can't see it when it's held up, but so I've just put that one in for free. I don't know if she could use that, but those are quite chunky and heavy. These are very pretty. The heart charms, lightweight, gold-plated, lightweight. We have some stainless steel earrings, but these are a little bit different. The backs on them, they've got hooks. Those have been popular. I'm trying to get some more, but actually I've been on messaging this morning because they are from China and I'm wanting to place an order, and the postage is more than the order, and it's not a small order either, but and I've never had that before, and obviously trying to communicate when we have different languages is not easy. These are resin. These are also called opalite, but they are made of resin. These look lovely. I think those are probably going into those earrings. And last of all, which I think are really fun, I love anything like this. We've got pigs, piggies. I showed you me making these. If you just buy them as a cabochon or flatback, and you very small drill down. You can buy the drills on Amazon. It's like you can get handheld and battery operated, very tiny. And these are called screw pins that you pop in the top. But I think they're so cute. So I'm going to get back to your lovely orders. If you've got this far, thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.